Hey guys, this is Ryan with Cars Remember When. Got a Mopar here for you today. This is a 1970 Dodge Challenger 440 4-speed special paint color order car. It's a Winchester Gray that it currently has on it, and it's a beautiful paint job. Very nice paint and body work. It's got a black vinyl top. This car originally came ordered as a 440 4-speed car. Does not appear to have the numbers matching 440 in it anymore, however, but a really nice high-end restoration. Someone did add electric door locks to it, and they do seem to work pretty well, which is a nice addition. Bucket seat interior. Really nice interior, really good shape. It's got that 440 V8 Mopar muscle sound to it. Really good running motor. Check out the dash. Got an oil gauge down here. Obviously got your reverse light there. Lower motor. Does seem to change air directions. Slide really nice and easy. Wipers, yes.
So, San Francisco house scene in the 1980s TV show, and then later in the spin-off Fuller House.
Does not appear that we have a horn. There you have it. There's your 440 cubic inch Mopar V8 4-barrel. Really good running engine, great power. Got a nice set of headers on it down there. Really well restored engine bay, as you can see here. We do have the trim tag there with all the options on how the car came. This car was originally ordered as a super track pack car with 411 gears, but that rear end is gone and no longer has that equipment in it, but it is on the tag there. If someone did want to put it back, it would be an original car. This VIN number up here does appear to match the VIN number on the car, so that's a really good sign. Again, this is a original 440 4-barrel car, 4-speed car, but this is not the original 440 the car came with. Awesome paint, body, and bright work. This car just pops. this 1970 Challenger, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. About 80 plus high resolution pictures. We'll have pictures of the undercarriage. If you have any more questions, please give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.